Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix sign out option not available due to some restrictions. So guys, many of you are complaining about you are facing an issue of sign out, that you cannot sign out your Apple ID because of some restrictions and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix sign out option not available due to some restrictions on your iPhone's Apple ID. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone completely and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.4.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After updating the iOS version, then you have to do is simply set your date and time settings correctly. You have to open the date and time on your iPhone and you have to make sure that the set automatically is enabled and time zone is set to correct. So guys, after trying these steps, then you have to do is simply open the screen time on your iPhone, then scroll down and then tap on change screen time passcode, tap on turn off screen time passcode, enter your screen time passcode and turn it off. After this, then you have to do is simply tap on content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and tap on passcode changes and tap on allow. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on iPhone. So guys, to do this you have to simply tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix the issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix sign out option not available due to restrictions on Apple ID. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.